Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we're going to take a haunted night vision surveillance footage and give it a whole new life using AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI. You're about to learn how to colorize those eerie black and white night shots, making every ghostly detail pop in stunning clarity. Ready to transform your haunting footage into something truly spine-chilling. Step 1. Launch AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI and upload your haunted CCTV footage. I'm using the famous 2012 Manchester poltergeist clip here, but feel free to upload your own. And if you don't have a haunted video lying around, regular night vision footage works just fine too. Step 2. Head over to the presets menu and select upscale to 4K and colorize. Sure, you could just go with Colorize, but honestly, who wouldn't want to enjoy their haunted footage in stunning 4K? Step 3. Head to the feature list and tweak the settings. Here, you can choose the AI model for colorizing. Personally, I go with the soft one. Step 4. Quickly check the video and output settings. You can preview the result if you want. Finally, click Start Processing, and after a short wait, voila! You can now enjoy your freshly colorized haunted footage ghosts in full Technicolor. And that's all for today's tutorial. Now, you've got your haunted footage in stunning colors in time for your next ghost hunt. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more transformations. Want to try it yourself? Head to the comments below to find the link to download AVCLabs and start colorizing your own ghostly videos.